Hi there and welcome to another video. Today's look is a soft pink look with glitter and a smoky eyeliner, perfect for Valentine's Day or any day that you want actually. For this look I used the Norvina Volume 5 palette and I started by using the shade E2 as my transition, and I applied that with a round brush. This is a Morphe 506. I used it in my crease starting from the outer corner as well as on my lower lash line. Then I used a somehow clean brush to blend it out because it looked a little bit patchy. That's not exactly clean, but almost clean. Then to intensify my outer corner, I needed a more intense pink, and I used the Sweet Pinks palette by Juvia's Place and applied it with a Morphe 507 brush, mainly concentrating it in the outer corner of my eye, and then blending it out with the transition, just the brush that I used for my transition shade without any additional product on it. For the shimmer on the lid, I went back to my Norvina palette and applied the shade E1 with a flat brush all over the lid, starting from the inner corner and sort of fading it towards the center of my lid, fading it into the outer corner shades. Then to do my smoky eyeliner, I started with a pencil base and did some form of an eyeliner shape. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna blend it out with an angle brush, and thinned out my wing using the brush while the pencil was still drying. So you kind of have to act quick here. Then I topped that with the E5 shade from the Norvina palette. I used the same brush, just picked up the eyeshadow and applied it on top of the pencil to intensify it and also to make it a little bit more long-lasting. Then for my glitter crease, I used the glitter primer from NYX and loose glitter from NYX again, and I used a small detail brush. I applied the glitter glue first, and then with the same brush, since it was already sticky, it was easy for me to pick up the glitter and just apply it on top of the glitter primer. And I used that in the inner portion of my crease as well as the lower lash line. Same thing, primer first, then glitter on top. It's been a while since I used loose glitters, but they do have a very beautiful effect. Then I finished up the look with some mascara and false lashes from Ardell. And the mascara that I used was from Maybelline, the Colossal Bubble, what is it? I think it's called. And the lashes from Ardell are the Lift Effect number 741. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope this video was somewhat useful. Let me know what you think, and I wish you a very beautiful day ahead.